Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Ninja Balance by Supreme Ogre. In their code, we see set static blocks and set shape to. Try to balance using your ninja skills. Our next project is Tug of War by Humongous Persimmon. In their code, we see when screen clicked and when touching blocks. Try to win this game of Tug of War. This project is Snakes and Ladders by Giraffe. In their code, we see if-else statements and set number 2. Play this virtual game of Snakes and Ladders. Our final project is Warrior Cat, created by Blizzardfall. In their code, we see when I receive blocks and switch to costume blocks. Create your very own Warrior Cat. Thank you for watching, and sign into Tynker.com to create your very own free projects. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media.